guys, and welcome back to another advent calendar unboxing. Today I am bringing to you the Ulta 12 Days of Beauty. Ooh, look at this little thing. It looks like a Christmas tree. It's so cute. This baby retails for $20 on Ulta's website, but have no fear, because even on a $20 advent calendar, you can use coupon codes on it. I personally did. I used a 20% off coupon code and I got it for 16 bucks. Hey, if you can use it, why the heck not? Save yourself a couple bucks. But here is the Ulta Beauty calendar. I've been very excited for this one. I actually didn't know that they made advent calendars until one of you guys let me know in my other advent calendar video that they had it, and I was like, oh, I have to get it. So I'm kind of excited. Let me see if I have any scissors to cut this, because there's a little plasticky thing securing it in place. Cut the little tape. And here you have it. I actually really enjoy the layout of this and the color scheme and the whole design. I think it's very cute. So A+ Ulta. I'm gonna get started with day number 1, which is the tippity top of the Christmas tree. Ooh, it's wrapped up like a little present. I like that. Am I just weak? No. I'm opening it the wrong way. Okay, it's easier to open if you grab it by the right end. Looks like a shadow. First up is a little pot of a jelly eyeshadow. By the way, you guys, all of the items that are inside the Ulta Beauty calendar are Ulta Beauty brand makeup items. Does it say a shade name? I don't actually think it does. It's blank, so that leads me to believe that this is of a, probably a deluxe size. I don't think it's full, but it is really large. I can't fit my finger in there. Ah, dang these nails! I need a brush. Why must all my brushes be dirty? Oh, I found one. Just one a little bit scooped out. Oh man, look at that. It is a gorgeous shade. Holy moly, that is a metallic gray with a hint of gold in it. And actually, I had to grab even more because I was like, does it? It has some purple micro glitter inside of it. Wow, that is beautiful. So beautiful. I didn't even know Ulta Beauty had jelly eyeshadows. I'm wondering if this is something new, because I tried to look it up super fast and I found nothing on it. So I'm wondering if that is it gonna be a new product coming out for them. Really great way to start this out. All right, on to day number 2, right up top. We're just gonna be going down the tree. Let's pull it out the right way this time. Ooh, I see a little squeezy. This is the Ulta Beauty Liquid Highlighter. These are in the drop form for face and body. It's a size of 0.15 of a fluid ounce. So it's definitely on the smaller size. It's a itty bitty little bottle. Let's take a look at the color of this. Right down here is the swatch of the liquid highlighter. I'd say it's a light champagne-y gold shade with a bit of micro glitter inside of it. Gold micro glitter, that is. Looks like a pretty shade. Again, no value for it, since this is definitely a itty-bitty little travel tester size. Whoops. But it's all right. I won't say anything about the sizes until the very end, so we kind of see what we're working with here, especially with a $20 calendar. I feel like there's gonna be some deluxe travel sized items in here. So we'll talk more about that at the end once I've seen them all. All right, on to day number 3. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Day number 3, we have the Ulta Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. I believe that this is their original formula. I've gotten samples before in those Ulta Beauty bags when you buy a certain purchase, but I seem to always get the metallic or shimmery eyeshadow primer, and I've never once used that because just not something I would ever use. I don't know. So I haven't tested out the formula of their original eyeshadow primer, but this is definitely on the matte side. And I'd say that the color, let me bring it closer. Can you even see it? Where is it? There it is. The color down there is of a beigey cream color. And again, I would classify this as kind of a deluxe-y travel size item. It is 0.17 of a fluid ounce, and I did check it on their website. The full size of their eyeshadow primer is 0.3. So I guess it's just right underneath the half mark, so maybe that's a deluxe size, we could say. Item number 4. Got a skinny product here. 4th item in the box is the Ulta Beauty Chubby Lip Crayon. In the shade, no shade listed. But let's swatch this guy out. Oh, that's vampy. Here's a close-up of the color. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Try on! I always want to make sure that I try on the lip colors because I think it's pretty helpful to see the colors on. So you can be like, ooh, that looks good, or ooh, maybe that's not for me. Oh, pigmented. Ooh, this is an ultra vampy color and I'm living for it. I kind of like that they didn't put in a classic red. I mean, I'm speaking a little bit early. Who knows, there might be a lip color in here that's a classic red, but most calendars always do a red lip. Very bright, bold, Christmassy red, and they just completely switched it up, giving a vampy shade. I'm all for it. All right, on to day number 5. Let's do this. What do we got? Looks like an eyeliner. And that is indeed what it is. It's the Ulta Beauty eyeliner in black. Of course, again, no shade names, but it's a black color, so I'm just gonna name this shade black. Here's a swatcheroo of it right next to the Lip Crayon. Looks pretty good to me. I mean, it's a classic black eyeliner pencil. Day number 6. And I've stopped kind of saying sizes of things because they're all of the deluxe form right now. Nothing has been full size yet. Day number 6 is the Ulta Beauty Tinted Lip Oil. So right next to the liner over there, and it just, to me, honestly looks more clear than anything. Maybe you see a little shift of a pink, but it's not much. But let's try it. No, let's not ruin the wand. I was about to put it on top of this very dark color, but I think that would be a mistake. I get that color all up in that wand and container. And I know that Ulta Beauty has some juice-infused lip oils. I'm wondering if this is supposed to be one of them. Can't really tell by the scent. I want to pop a bit on just to see how the formula feels. Formula actually isn't bad. I was thinking it was gonna be a little bit sticky because I did a quick touch here on the back of my hand and it felt very sticky. But on the lips, not sticky at all. Actually very comfortable. Day number 7. We're on day number 7. Oh, this is a fun one. This I would say is a deluxe size of their metallic cream eyeshadow. Does this not say a shade either? Yeah, it doesn't say a shade on this one either. It would be kind of nice if they listed the colors because in case you like it, you use it up after Christmas, you could go back and repurchase the same one. And it looks to me like it is a rose gold metallic shade. I'm definitely very interested to see how this performs on the lid. Like I said, I haven't tried a cream shadow by Ulta Beauty. I actually haven't tried much of anything from Ulta Beauty's brand. I think I've only tried 1 or 2 different kinds of lip formulas by them. It's definitely not much, so all of these items that I've gotten so far are definitely very new to me. So it'll be interesting to see how this one wears, but I think the shade that they put in there is definitely very nice. I think rose gold is kind of universal, that most people kind of enjoy it. On to number 8. Now it looks like we have one of the Ulta Beauty's Velvet Matte Lips. And this formula, I'm 99% positive I have tried one of before. I don't think I've tried this color, but I have tried a color of their matte liquid lip formula, and I did like it. Here's the liquid lip right up there. It is a pink, kind of dusty rose shade, I feel. And when we get a lip product, gotta try it on. This is definitely a very wearable shade. I kind of like how they even themselves out a little bit. They give you something fun and vampy, and then they give you something a bit more on the neutral side, so you could do both, however your mood is feeling. On to number 9. Let's check out Number 9. Is it another lip color? Oh, it is! This is the Ulta Beauty Shiny Sheer Lip Gloss. This is a good looking gloss. It is sheer, but it definitely has some color to it. And there is a lot of micro glitter inside of it. I feel like popping this on just what we got with the liquid lip. Transforming it. Again, it doesn't feel sticky, which is always good. That's my number 1 test for a lip gloss. If it feels uncomfortable on the lips, huge no-no, but these have all felt very comfortable. Okay, on to day number 10 now. Let's check it out. Ooh, looks like a compact. It is the Ulta Beauty Matte Bronzer. And again, no shade name on this. Let's swatch. Here's what that shade looks like. Okay, I'm definitely getting deluxe size from this because the full size is 0.25. This one's a 0.1. Now it's so hard to tell, but looking it up on their website, they have 4 shades. They have deep, they have tan, they have medium, and then they have light. I want to say this is like a light or the medium shade. I think this is a very tricky item to be putting inside of an advent calendar because it's such a variety of different people buying these calendars. To put a bronzer in there is definitely very tricky because not everybody's going to be able to use a very specific type of product like this. I think when it comes to lip colors and certain kind of highlighters and things like that, it's a little bit more on the universal side. Yes, some people may not like it, but I feel like they're still gonna be able to wear it, whereas the bronzers is gonna be kind of a tough item. So kind of a bummer with that item just because not everybody's gonna be able to make it work. All right, on to item 11. We're almost at the end now. We got this one and another one to go. Whoa! This is the Ulta Beauty Chrome Eyeshadow. I know I've been saying Ulta Beauty to everything. I just can't help myself. I say the name. Let's swatch this. Just glided on. I should have shown you. Hold on. Let's do that again. Wow. Definitely some good pigmentation inside of that. And I have to say that this is fairly large for a chrome eyeshadow. It's a big pan. Is this full size? Can I find it? I think this may be a full size item. I can't find specifically the chrome eyeshadow, but I'm able to find their single shadows with micro glitter that are of the size 0.067, so basically 0.1, and then this one is a size 0.1 ounce, and that is $8.50. So I'd say it's probably around $8.50 to $9 if I'm looking at the right reference here. So I would say that this is the first full-size item. Everything else I feel like has been of the deluxe size. Last one, you guys. Number 12. What do we got? Number 12 is the Ulta Beauty Duo Blush. Blush Duo. I said it backwards. You guys know what I mean. And I think that this is, again, maybe a deluxe size. It's possible it could be a full. I was trying to look on their website right now, but I don't see a blush duo of this kind on their website with these colors in them. So it leaves a little bit of a mystery there. This is 0.09 of an ounce or 2.8 grams. So kind of leave that up to you guys to decide. I'm kind of going with the deluxe. Let's test these shades out. Let me wipe away my extreme swatch there of the chrome shadow. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Their shimmery shades have some intense pigmentation within it. Wowza. That just kept on going. So 2 different kinds of blush, one matte, one shimmer. Beautiful shades. One's more peachy and one is definitely more rose with a gold undertone or a gold shift. So when you twist it in the light, you get that hint of gold in it. But that is now our last item. So let me see if I can fill up our tree here so we can see it all together. Ooh, I made it. Damn. Ooh, Ooh, I got it. Let me just not move. So here are all of the items within the Ulta's 12 Days of Beauty. By the looks of it, I would say that this box definitely contained, for the most part, deluxe sized items. I think we only got one full size, and that is the chrome eyeshadow that had a value of $8.50 to possibly $9, because I just used a reference of another single shadow that they had. So here's where it gets a little bit tricky. I'm just like, oh, you know, it's mainly deluxe size items, but honestly, for $20, I don't think you could ask for that much. It is very affordable, so I was kind of expecting quite a bit of deluxe travel size items. You know, I do think that they are pretty fair in the sizing, especially since with Ulta Beauty, you can use a lot of coupon codes. They have those $3.50 off most of the time, and then you can use those 20% coupons like I did. So I think when you look at it like that, I'm like, okay, you know what? This wasn't a bad advent calendar. It's a nice little gift to give to someone if you don't want to spend an arm and a leg buying some really outrageous priced advent calendars. If you just want to do something a little small, I think this is a really good option, because all of these items I was really happy unboxing. Nothing had me thinking like, nah, well, except from the matte bronzer. That one's a tricky one. Other than that, the items were things that actually interested me, and I was like, oh, okay, I could try that. I like that. It was nothing that was, say, a bath shower gel pod or a mini bath fizzer in one door. I say if you're gonna grab it, use a coupon code, grab it a little cheaper, and you'll be happy. That is gonna conclude today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.